I try to take charge and shave his back, but he walks around looking like a... When you take your shirt off, people run.
Okay. Let's just take a breath. I know it can be a little expensive, but perhaps you could try waxing. That's out. Here, try this. It's the BaKblade, the easiest do-it-yourself back shaver on the planet. The BaKblade is extremely easy to use. The unique patented safety blades leave a smooth shave and are designed to minimize the risk of cutting. They feel just like a back scratcher. BaKblade 2.0 also features an S-shaped ergonomic design, giving you a full range of motion, so you can shave all those hard-to-reach areas. The BaKblade leaves no stubble behind, and with multi-rows of our improved 2.0 blades, you'll find that these old-timers last for quite some time. If you need to change blades, slide them out and slide the new ones in. And best of all, the BaKblade can be used both wet or dry. Don't be an ape. Shave your own back. Isn't it about time you put the man back in manscaping? Take back your back today.
Because here at BaKblade,
We got your back.